Go.
Yo, what's up? Jincon GFM. Dina nema wama unguni. Komo Entertainment. Dofara Madiluchere. We live now. Magutosi una event for the match. I'm concerned about the music. Music wa venda. I feel like vendarku kandereziwa. Or kuchiriso ngamanda pasi. Reason demuri. Kati show. The big shows. When they call us, Bari Jera pass, you know, if it's about the money, then they don't give us the money. You know, it's all about the money. But then, because big shows go on at the event, and the other thing, music radio, I go for music, with the music, when the radio in IJO, yeah, also when the radio, also the local radio station Univen. What about the big radio station in Raburna, Uganda? We're not there. So, yeah, my nigga. Arpop, yeah, one. Madiluchere. Yenya one, Adwa Mashoponi. In few months to come, really? At the ones that May, Yenya one, Madiluchere. Vitamin. And Abse Babaras. Apply it. And then go super honest, you know, as we talk. We live, my nigga. One.